Good morning or afternoon or night, wherever you might be in this world. I just am making a video and I thought, wait, let me restart and put a lot of things. My mom put those things in this book bag, so we're gonna be with our eyes closed, picking things out of here. All right, so let's get started. This one. Ow. Ouch. All right. Oh, I think this is slime. Is this slime? I think so. Let's open it. Oh my god. It is. Look at this, guys. Hold on. Look at that. I'm gonna open it. Oh my god, that's a bubble. Oh, let's put you back right here. So this is it. It's like slime. Oh my god. I think I might make slime videos on here. It has, oh my god, I love this. I think I'm gonna keep it. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this. Alright, so looks, oh my god, it's kind of sticky. Mom, why'd you make it sticky? And this video is sponsored by my mom. So thank you, Mom. Alright, so let's see what's next. Oh, it feels something squishy. Let's just open this. Ooh. It's like a cute little dog that we can squish. Or just, oh my god. You guys want to feel it? Alright, here. Alright, I love this. Alright, we're gonna put that to the side, and I think this is another slime part. It is! Alright, let's open it up. Hold on. Let's see, what else can we put right here? There. Here it is. Ew, that's so sticky. It's not even barely sticky. It looks like it is, but it's not. Oh my god. That's so good. You want to feel it? Look at the color. Alright, let's just move on. Alright, so let's go. What is this big thing that's been bothering? Oh my god, look. Oh my god. Let's open it up. Ouch. Ow. Oh my god. It breaks apart too. Oh my god, it smells good. Smell it. And it looks like a strawberry cake. This is an ice cream. It smells just like ice cream. Smell it? And you could take the strawberry off if you just want strawberry ice cream. Here! It's a cake. It's a cake. That's the cake. Ooh, I think this is pie. It smells pretty good. That's the pie. There you go. Ooh, and we have, last but not least, oh my god. This breaks in 3 parts. Oh, let's just move that. 3 parts. So first the frosting, and then we'll put this. Comment down below if you guys know what that is, because I don't. Alright, so that goes in the middle, and then this is the cupcake we'll put at the bottom. That's the cupcake. That smells so good. And let's move on to the next one. This is the next one. Oh, it looks like a little surprise. So let's open it up. Looks like it's a game, probably. Alright, so let's try and build it. Alright. I really don't know how. to build it. Mom, can you help me build it? Oh, never mind. My mom is about to go to bed. She doesn't want to. Alright. Oh my god, it's not even sticking. Alright, we'll try and put it. Alright. I don't know what that looks like. I think I'm missing one probably. Hi, Dad. Is there seriously one missing? I think there is. Ow. I seriously don't know how to do this. We'll just move on to the next one, okay? So there's one more left. All right, let's just grab it. Oh my god, oh wait, I think we can open it. Wait, is that lip balm? Oh my god, that smells so good. You guys want to smell it? Alright guys, it's getting kind of late, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.